Curious if Bardeen AI CRM can actually save you time instead of adding another layer of complexity? We're breaking down its automation, no-code ease, and whether it's truly worth integrating into your workflow. Bardeen delivers AI-powered browser-based automations. Its Chrome extension lets you scrape web data, enrich leads, update CRM fields, and trigger actions using plain English commands. It supports over 130 integrations, including Slack, Google Sheets, HubSpot, and Salesforce, making it versatile for CRM, sales, and marketing teams. But it's not perfect. There's a learning curve. Setting up custom workflows, especially with scraped data, can be tricky for beginners. Some users complain about scraping errors and slower support responses for non-paid users. Their pricing model, from freemium to tiered credits, may feel expensive once you scale up or need heavy usage. Still, reviews highlight real impact, like teams saving hours monthly on CRM enrichment and outreach tasks. If you're a busy GTM, CRM, or customer success pro who wants to ditch manual data entry and streamline workflows, Bardeen AI CRM can be a game changer. Thank you for watching How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.